Learning Mandarin is fun, kan? No, partner is not isteri. Isteri is laungkong. Tu husband. Isteri is apa?
老婆
Laupong.
老婆
Laupo.
So husband is what?
Laukong.
Hey!
Hah? Betul.
Itu menjawab lah.
Oh ya. Ish, last year I pergi China 2 kali. Kalau kenal you time tu, power I kat China.
Kalau kenal I masa tu, confirm you tak dapat bisnes dekat China.
Kenapa pula?
Yelah, perempuan ni bapa bawa datang dating ke apa.
Takkan bawa you pergi kerja?
Yelah, nanti businessman ingat ini orang datang dating ke datang kerja macam tu.
I pergi China. Koko. Oh Allah.
Go to sleep, baby.
Dah mengarut dah ni. Zhao Shanghao. Good night apa?
Good night, Wan An.
Wan An Kaka.
You know, in the Chinese high school kids, they will say Wan An in their messaging last time. Last time when people don't use WhatsApp, they use messaging. They will not type the Chinese word Wan An, but they will use the word WAN space AN.
为什么？
Means 我爱你，爱你。
So Wan An means I love you as well.
Yeah. Wan An mean no. Wan An means good night, but the wording means I love you. Love you.
Oh.
Tak apalah, tidur je lah. Good night.